Susannah here with gentle yoga for stressful times. So we're going to take it slow, do some nice stretches to release tension from the body, and then end with a balancing breath, pranayama, to balance the mind. So the goal here is to calm and soothe our nervous systems and allow us to be able to deal with all the stuff that's going on in the world right now, as well as any personal stressors that we may be experiencing. So let's get started. You'll just need a yoga mat. I suggest a yoga block. If you've got a block, that'd be great. We're going to do at least one pose using the block, but it's optional if you don't have one. So come to sitting in a comfortable position, possibly on a block or a cushion, and we'll begin. So once you have found your seat, let's take a moment to just get grounded, feeling your sitting bones pressing down into whatever you're sitting on. You might shift your weight a little forward and back and side to side, and then find stillness. And then take a breath in through your nose. Allow that breath to fill your belly, fill your chest. And then exhale out through your nose or your mouth. Exhale. Excellent. And now take another breath in through your nose and drop chin to chest. Inhale, roll your right ear over to your right shoulder. And exhale, chin through center, left ear to left shoulder. And now very slowly, you can go side to side like that. Take a moment, let the shoulders drop, spine stays long. Breathe into the stretch in the opposite side of your neck. And then through center, other side. It's important to allow both shoulders to drop, and you can really feel the stretch in the opposite side of your neck from the direction of your ear. Take a breath, come back up to center, and then drop the chin one more time, and this time we'll do a full circle with your neck. So I like to suggest you are taking your nose and drawing a circle in front of you. So we're not crunching the neck back at all. Good, and then after you've gone a couple directions one way, you might reverse direction. Very nice. Great. Back to center, chin down, and chin back up, neutral position. Arms out to the sides, reach, turn your palms up. Inhale, sun breath in. Exhale, prayer hands to the chest. Interlace your fingers, press away, gentle round of the upper back. Sit up tall, release the arms, float them down. One more like that. Inhale. Exhale. Interlace fingers, press away. Sit up tall again, and release the arms. We'll transition now to sitting. If you're on a block, you can lose it. We're going to take ourselves onto the mat with our hands supporting us back here and our feet as wider than our hips in order to windshield wiper your knees side to side for hip opening this morning or this evening, whatever time of day it is for you. Great. And then drawing your navel to your spine, come all the way onto your back. Once we're down here, we'll bring the arms out to the sides, relax the shoulders, and do some pelvic tilts. So tuck tailbone, pressing the lower back into the floor, and reverse. Tuck and reverse. Tuck and reverse. Now pause here and just get grounded. Feel your back and your head and your feet connected to the earth. And now slowly roll your head side to side. So once again, we're giving a little love to the neck and the shoulders and the head today. So go one direction and then the other with your head. Good, and then come back to center. Now I should have said, have your block nearby. My bad. All right, have your block nearby. And we're going to begin with a bridge without the block, but then if you've got a block, we'll do a supported bridge pose in today's relaxing yoga. So root down in 2 feet, arms beside you, push up into bridge. Be here now. Turn this into a breath exercise by feeling the soles of your feet, shoulders and arms grounded, and now breath into belly. Breath up into the chest. Exhale. Breathe into belly. Breathe into chest. But we're keeping a nice straight line. You don't need to push your chest up. In fact, your rib cage stays relaxed. And then we'll lower the spine to the earth. Take your time down and pick your feet up for a moment. Rock low back release, low back tension. Great. Grab that block if you have one. If you don't have a block, you can use a firm cushion or nothing at all. So walk your feet a bit farther forward now than you had before. And then we will go ahead and do supported bridge here, which simply means you're going to let your weight release. Nothing to do here. Feel the support of that block. Feel your legs are relaxed, your arms are relaxed. And again, we will tune into breath. Inhale into belly, inhale into chest. And now, soles of the feet are going to come together to open the hips. Hands can come into either to rest on your hip bones or your belly or your chest. So allow your hands to rest on your body. You've got a block underneath your sacrum, possibly, or not. It's okay if you don't. Soles of the feet together, legs in the shape of a diamond, Supta Baddha Konasana. Find breath here. Great, and now guide the knees back up together. So if with or without a block, we will do a restorative inversion. Bring the knees in and then lift your legs straight up. Hold here. If it feels hard for you to keep your legs straight up, you could bend at the knees. That'd be okay too. Okay, so allow that downward flow of energy, breath into belly. Calm your face, your jaw, any tension in the head, let it go. Excellent, and then release, both feet come back to the earth, push into your feet to lift the hips. If there's a block there, slide it away. And now keeping the left foot down, bring the right knee in and press the right foot up towards the sky, hands behind the thigh, point and flex. Good, figure 4, rest your side of your left foot at the top of the thigh, right hand presses inner thigh, right leg forward. Stretch. Good. Release from that. Foot down. The other leg extends up. That's your left maybe. And then your hands behind the thigh. Press up. And then rest, figure 4. Release from this. Take your hands behind the knees and just gently bounce it out. Good. Place palms on top of your knees and let's circle. You get to choose. Do you want your knees to go around the same direction? Or would you like them to go in opposite directions? So allow yourself to give your lower back a nice massage. Play with the different ways to move here. Let the arms extend forward. You'll crunch in a little bit, pulling the tailbone off the floor, and then reverse. And now extending left leg on the floor, bring the right knee in. You can give a little press for the hip and then a knee across twist. Okay, you know how to do this. Extend the right arm, if it's the right leg, crossing over, and take a moment in this twist. Find your breath. Come back to center. Switch sides. If it's the right leg goes straight, so left knee in, whichever is the other side for you. Give it a little press. then over it goes. Have the leg be parallel to the floor. Do not send the knee all the way down. Relax the shoulders and extend the other arm so the shoulders are grounded. Take a beautiful breath into your belly. Exhale. Feel your lower back relax. Good, and then we'll come back up to center. Bring both knees in and roll yourself over to one side. Push up. And now find your way to table position, all fours. With your hands underneath your shoulders and knees underneath hips. Tuck tailbone, round spine for pelvic tilt again. And then upper thoracic movement. So this is not a cat-cow. This is arms are straight and chest goes between your arms and your shoulder blades come together, and then you push away and protract the shoulder blades on your back. So think about and feel the action of your shoulder blades. And the spine stays essentially straight. Neck and head don't move. Tailbone, lower back stay still. And it's just this up and down thing for your upper spine. Okay. Curl your toes, reach back, extended child's stretch. And now come into a easy bent knee downward dog option. If downward dog doesn't feel like your thing today, then do an extended child's or puppy stretch instead. So spread your fingers wide, plant them down, lift the hips up. Walk your feet a little wide here. Easy does it today. Knees are bent, press into your hands. Good, and then alternate heels to the floor as you give your hamstrings and calves a beautiful stretch. Take your time. Deep breaths. Excellent pause here. And then lower to your knees. Here we have a restorative child option. If you have a block, toes touch, knees wide, forehead to block, and allow for a resting moment. So you can find any child position that feels super relaxing to you. This is my suggestion. A frog child with the support of a block. Breathe into your belly, breathe into your hips, release, and let go. And now, gently push yourself up. And we're going to end this session with a breath that will bring your nervous system into balance. So, find a comfortable seat. Get yourself in beautiful alignment in a seat, if you will. Relax your shoulders, press up through the crown. And now, this is called alternate nostril breath. You'll take your dominant hand, right hand. So I may not be mirroring you, but you'll take your right hand most likely. Right thumb up, 2 fingers down, ring finger up. Cover your right nostril with your right thumb. And then allow an exhale through your left nostril. Now inhale just on the left. And now close off both nostrils with ring finger and thumb and hold your nose. Retain the breath. Close your eyes. You can just listen to my words. Now just release the thumb and exhale right. Inhale right. Close, hold your breath. And now releasing the ring finger, exhale left. Inhale left. Hold, retain the breath. Releasing just the thumb, exhale right. Inhale right. And then close, hold your nose. Keeping the thumb there, Exhale left. And last round, we'll inhale left. Hold. Exhale right. And now inhale on the right, and this time you can fill up with breath. So start inhaling in, and then full, full, full. Keep the breath coming in. And then when you get to the top of that inhalation, just hold the breath. You can let the hand drop, but you're still holding the breath. And now when you feel ready, you'll allow a slow release through both nostrils. And once you've expelled all that air, you can return to your normal, natural breath rhythm. Eyes closed or lowered right now. Just be in the space of balance. Awesome. So now, if your eyes were closed, you can open them. And let's bring our hands together, rub them, creating prana, life force, energy, heat. Prayer hands to the heart. And then a little prayer for peace and balance in today's world. Finding your own center and being at peace, calm. Thank you. Namaste. Thank you for that. I hope you enjoyed this slow practice. I hope it soothed your nervous system. Please let me know how you're feeling. If you liked this particular content, would you like more of it? Let me know. You can go below and leave a comment about your experience, and I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, because you know I like your thumbs, your likes. It makes me feel good to know you're watching. And that's it. And if you're new to my channel, you can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. And if you're not yet a member of my Facebook group, which is called the Strong Bones Challenge, go ahead and jump over to Facebook and request to join the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group. We'd love to have you. So thanks very much, and have a wonderful rest of your day.